Hello friends, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are going to continue with the topic bearing, where we are treating back bearing and opposite bearing, which is the same thing anyway. If you are new, consider subscribing to the channel, like, share and comment. Let's get to it. So we are saying that if the bearing of town A from town B is given as 55 degrees, we have to find the back bearing of B from where? A. Meaning if A from B, now we are now finding B from A. So first of all, we need to draw our Cartesian plane and indicate this 55. Now in between A and B, we are moving from what? Of A from B, meaning B is the starting point. B is our starting point. Then for us to get the movement of B, we need to read an angle of 55. So per the reading from the north, we will get our 55 degree, which can be 0.55, to the point what? A. Now, for us to be able to get a bearing of B from A, we need also to draw another Cartesian plane at our town A. We are looking for bearing of B right from where? A, meaning we need to go to the origin of A, going to the north, measure an angle to meet the line joining the points A and B. So I'm going to move all the way from here to this place. Meaning I already have an angle of 90 here. Here also have 90. If I know the angle here added to these angles, I should be finding the bearing of B from A. Now also we know that this line, which is the west-east line, are parallel lines. So if these two lines are parallel and there is a transverse through it, it means this transverse produces what? Alternate angles. Meaning the angle here will be the same as this, as 55 degree. So therefore, the bearing to be, first of all, 90 degrees plus another 90 degrees plus what? 55 degree. If I add these three angles, I should be having my back bearing. This is 180. So if you take 20 here, we have 235 degree as the bearing of B from A, as in back bearing. Good. Now let's take another question which is more or less opposite to this. If the bearing of a point P from Q, meaning this time Q is the starting point, is given as 240, we have to find the back bearing of the point Q now from the point P. So we begin with the point Q first. I indicate the north, putting the point Q. I need the bearing of P from Q by the reading of 240, meaning movement from the north until I get 240. If I move to this, I will get 90, 180 plus a certain angle give me 240. So it means if I add 60 to 180, so here is going to be 60 degrees to the point P, which I will also draw another Cartesian plane. This is the point what? P. Without the Cartesian plane here, I will still have answered the question up to this place. The bearing of P from Q will just be this diagram without the Cartesian plane. But because the question continues from this place, for me to find the bearing of Q from P, then I need to draw another Cartesian plane at where? The P. So that if I am looking for the bearing of Q from P, I need to measure from the north of P. I am looking for the bearing of Q from where? From P. So I need to measure from the north, which is going to be all the way from here to meet the line joining the 2 points. So what will I do? I already know this is a parallel line, parallel lines, transverse. So this angle also equals to what? 60 degrees. So in short, the bearing of the point Q from P is just going to be 060 degree. So simple, right? It doesn't need too much calculation. All right, so this is the diagrammatic approach to these two questions. Now, we also have a formula whereby if the question is given to you, you don't want to draw, you can also get the answer. So if the bearing, as I'm seeing here, 55 is less than 180, 240 is more than 180. That's why I have these two. So any angle given to me from 0 to 180, which is less than 180, I will be solving it the way I have done this. Any question at all will be in the direction. Then any question that is also between 180 to 360, meaning more than 180, will also be solved in this vein. So in this, if a bearing of A from B is given to you as theta, and you are asked to find the bearing of B from A, what you need to do is that add theta to what? 180 degrees. As in, if your theta is between 0 and 180, so I can say that 55 is between 0 and 180, therefore 55 plus 180, I will get what? 235 degree, as in this question. So any theta given to me that is within this range, this formula can work. 160, just add a 160 to this, you get your answer. Now in this case, if the theta given to you is also bigger than 180, then what do we do? Then it's going to be theta minus what? 180. As in, if your theta is what? 0 degree, if your theta is between 180 and what? 360, then just subtract 180 from your answer. Look at this, my theta is now what? 240. So 240 minus what? 180. I believe that will also give us what? 60 degrees as per the diagram. I believe you get the concept. So these are the two approaches to finding the back bearing of a bearing. In the next episode, we will take questions that marry the two together, as in bearing between 2 points or 3 points, that generate the use of Pythagoras theorems and trigonometry. If you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. Click on notification bell to receive more notification if a video is uploaded. Don't forget to like the video, share with your colleagues, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye-bye.